Hi everyone, I'm May from the May Review team, and welcome back to the channel. Have you ever wondered how local marketers or consultants can start a high-profit business without chasing cold leads all day? Or how insurance agents can get ready-to-buy clients without spending a fortune on low-quality lists? Well, that's exactly what Local Relo Leads Insurance Edition is all about. In short, it's a system that helps you generate relocation leads, people who are moving, so insurance agents have motivated prospects ready to buy coverage. And for local marketing consultants like you, it's a ticket to offer a high-demand, profitable service that practically sells itself. In this video, I'll walk you through what Local Relo Leads Insurance Edition really is, what it covers, the pricing plans, feedback from the community, and some special bonuses my team has put together just for you. By the end, you'll know if this system is the right fit to kickstart or grow your lead generation business. All right, now that you know what Local Relo Leads Insurance Edition is, let's dive into what the training actually covers and why it's so valuable for anyone looking to start a lead generation business. First off, the training shows you how to solve the biggest problem insurance agents face. This is finding high-quality, motivated leads. You will learn to use AI to find mover leads, the people who are either relocating or have just moved into a new area. These movers must update their insurance for everything, from auto and home to health and life. That means they're not just mildly interested, they're highly motivated buyers actively looking for new coverage. Next, Mike Paul, the reputable vendor behind this program, teaches you how to position yourself differently from the usual lead brokers. Instead of selling generic leads, you'll be providing something unique and highly valuable, which instantly makes agents trust and prefer your service. Furthermore, the training walks you step by step through creating marketing campaigns. You'll see exactly how to generate relocation leads using proven strategies and ready-to-use templates. It's designed so that even beginners can follow along without feeling overwhelmed. Another key part is how the system automates most of the work. Once your campaigns are set up, leads start flowing on autopilot. You can focus on scaling your business or landing new clients while the system handles the heavy lifting. Finally, the training gives you tools to build trust and authority with your clients. From pre-written scripts to landing page templates, you'll have everything you need to convince insurance agents that your leads are exactly what they've been looking for. It's all about making the process easy and effective for both you and your clients. Next, let's take a closer look at what's inside the funnel and what each offer brings to the table. This will help you see exactly what you get and how each part can add value to your business. The funnel starts with the front-end product, and there are 3 optional OTO offers you can choose from. You don't have to get the OTOs, but they can help you maximize results and get an edge with your lead generation service. The front-end program costs $37 as a one-time payment. Considering you get a complete step-by-step system to generate relocation leads and start offering this service to insurance agents, it's a fantastic deal. Plus, it comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can try it risk-free. The front end gives you the core system, marketing templates, and campaign guidance. Basically everything you need to get started. The first upsell is priced at $57. It's an audio presentation with proven selling techniques to help you close clients faster. You also get a written script for anyone who prefers a hands-on approach when pitching your services. The second upsell comes in at $67. This is a written how-to guide that you can hand to prospects, helping them understand why they need your service and encouraging them to reach out to start working with you. The third upsell is $77 and focuses on building authority and trust quickly. It includes a pre-built landing page theme. You install it, add your contacts, and give your subscribers a head start in establishing credibility that sets them apart in their market. So, that's an overview of the funnel. Each offer is optional, but together they give you everything you need to start a profitable lead generation service. If you want all the details and my full review of each upgrade, check out the link in the description below. Now let's take a look at what others think about this training. Jessica says, "Wow, I actually set this up in just a couple of days, and leads are already coming in. Didn't think it would be this easy." David, "Finally, leads that actually turn into sales. I've tried a bunch of lists before, but these relocation leads, totally different." Samantha, "I'm new to lead gen, but Mike's step-by-step guide made everything super simple. I feel like I can actually run campaigns now." Brian, "The timing part blew my mind. Catching movers first really makes a difference for my clients, makes everything feel more real. These are just a few comments to show you. There are a lot more feedbacks that I gathered from forums and social media. You can also check this in my review too. So, to wrap things up, Local Relo Leads Insurance Edition is a complete, step-by-step system that helps you generate high-quality relocation leads and offer a profitable lead generation service to insurance agents. It's beginner-friendly, easy to implement, and provides everything you need, from campaign setup to ready-made marketing templates, to start seeing real results. Now let's talk about the special bonuses from my team. These bonuses include extra training to boost your digital skills, resources to create engaging content, and tools to run stronger marketing campaigns. Plus, there are multiple bonus packages to choose from, so you can pick the ones that best fit your business needs. If you'd like the full review, funnel details, pricing plans, and access to these exclusive bonuses, simply click the link in the description below. And if this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews and tips to grow your local marketing business. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this video helps you make the best decision for starting or scaling your lead generation business.
Hey, let me ask you something. What if you could wake up every day knowing fresh, motivated prospects were already lined up, ready to talk business with you, without the grind, without chasing, and without wasting a ton of time on dead-end leads? Sounds good, right? Now here's the thing most people overlook. Not all leads are created equal. Some are cold, skeptical, and hard to move. Others are already halfway out the door before you even start. But then there are these relo leads. What's a relo lead? It's short for relocation. These are people who are moving into a new area. And think about it. What's the very first thing people need when they move or relocate? They need help, they need services, they need connections, and they need them fast. See, they're not caught up with doing a ton of research. They can't because time's not on their side. They need to buy things, enroll in new services, and set things up fast so their lives can go on. And what service or product's at the very top of their list? The more you think about this, the more you know. Insurance of all types is the highest and most sought after product all movers need to have in place when relocating to a new city. In fact, for many insurance types, the law requires it. Lucky for you, huh? That's what makes insurance relocation leads so powerful. They're highly motivated. They're ready to spend money now. And guess what? They have no choice about it. And best of all, competition is low because very few marketers are even targeting them. In other words, relo leads are like fresh oxygen in a room full of stale air. And when you know how to tap into them, you hold the secret advantage over 99% of consultants and marketers out there. So how do you do it? It's called Local Relo Leads Insurance Edition. I put together a simple system that shows you exactly how to find these high-quality insurance agent prospects, reach them in the right way, and turn them into paying clients without any guesswork. Here's what you'll soon own when you dive in. A step-by-step PDF guide that lays out the entire process so you can follow along with ease. Videos that walk you through the setup so you can see exactly how it works in action. A set of done-for-you marketing assets to plug in and start getting traction right away. And perhaps the most important, you'll get my personal support along the way so you're never left out on your own. So if you're tired of chasing bad leads and want a way to sign clients easier and more naturally, if you're ready for something that actually works, and if you'd like a real edge in your business that most people don't even know exists, if you're looking for a way to unlock 3 separate upfront paydays from clients and a large recurring income too, then Local Relo Leads Insurance Edition is exactly what you've been waiting for. Go ahead right now and look at this page. It does a much better job of explaining things. Then get involved. Click that Add to Cart button, and I'll see you on the inside.